Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and beginning of the week update on Bitcoin. Wanted to make a video about it since it's a daily update and we do have some things to talk about. Yesterday we started relatively bullish on Sunday afternoon, and then we started dropping quite rapidly with kind of the cherry on the cake during the night at around 2 o'clock, at least for me. Received a big bearish move. It's a fundamental move. I mean, moves like these are always very sudden, and it's market makers, institutions probably selling their positions now. So in this video I kind of wanted to talk about what that means, what to expect from here, what happened. I mean, in the end we also found support at a very strong support level, so perhaps it's not as bad as you might expect. So yeah, that's what we'll talk about, and of course also we'll talk a little bit about this week, what to expect from the interest rate decision, which is in 2 days. So yeah, before we get into Bitcoin, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me and also information on the interest rate and how to trade it, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join that group. Now onto Bitcoin. So the thing is that, I mean, sometimes this happens, right? I mean, we talked about it earlier as well. Right now the volume is up about 74%. Volume is still increasing. But yesterday, or at least during the night when this move happened, the volume was still relatively low. So what you tend to see then is that something like this is more easily possible. You can even see that the volume went down slightly right here. So that does say something. Now, historically, when you see a move like this at the start of the week, it doesn't really mean a lot. It could still turn into a bullish Monday, Tuesday, and we do have, and we talked about it yesterday, we do have some reason to be bullish, and that is the interest rate decision. So right now the situation is as follows. We did have a bearish breakout. We had this support level right here around 28,900 and 28,700. That was our main support yesterday when we were still above it. Now it's turned into quite a strong resistance level. It also has a 302 fib of this recent bearish move. So what we did is we found support at the 0.618 fib of this move up. And the 200 EMA. So altogether that's a strong support level. However, now we are kind of, as you might expect, we're stuck between that. Right now, what's good is that we also still stayed on top of this key level, even though we went below it. We did not close down below that. So what's going to happen is I think we'll go up to that level around 28,900. Let's keep it simple at that level. And then from there, I do expect resistance. But if from that resistance, we can stay on top of 28,550 and 28,500, then I think we're still bullish and we can break above that and get towards 29,700 again. And that's also in line with that. I expect some bullish momentum coming from the interest rate decision. Usually our expectations, I think at least just the sentiment before it or ahead of it is bullish. So usually you already get some bullish momentum before it. And that's why I expect that. Apart from that, the dollar strength index is not telling us much. It's just in a very slow downtrend / consolidation. So we're not really reacting to that much, but yeah, it's also not something that is hindering a scenario like this. So perhaps that's good. But yeah, that's my take on it for now. That's what I expect. I mean, if for some reason we find some resistance at 28,900 and we drop down below 28,500, yeah, then we'll probably be a little bit more bearish. Then we'll drop down to 27,900, that kind of area. And we'll continue with some bearish momentum, but that's not what I expect. I do not think that's the most likely scenario. But I'll keep you updated on Bitcoin. This is my take for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.